Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw earnings from Patreon creator video tiers, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw earnings from your Patreon creator video tiers, start by logging into your Patreon account. Navigate to your creator dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, find and click on Payouts. This section contains Review the balance displayed, which indicates your total available earnings. Click on the Withdraw button to begin the withdrawal process. You may be prompted to choose your payout method if you haven't set one up yet. Select your preferred payout method, such as PayPal or a direct bank transfer. Enter the necessary details for the chosen payout method. Once you've filled in the required information, review it to ensure accuracy. After confirming your details, click on Save or Confirm to set this payout method. Now, return to the Payouts section. Choose the amount you'd like to withdraw from your balance. Input the desired withdrawal amount in the provided field. Review any fees associated with the withdrawal, as they may vary by method. Once you're satisfied with the amount and fees, click on Confirm Withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your withdrawal request has been initiated. Patreon will process your withdrawal based on their schedule, which typically takes a few business days. Check your email for updates on your withdrawal status. Once processed, your funds will appear in your chosen payout method. Remember to regularly review your dashboard to stay updated on your earnings. This concludes the guide on withdrawing earnings from Patreon creator video tiers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.